90% of project managers could be jobless by 2027. Sounds insane, right? But the AI revolution is no longer coming. It's already here. AI tools like ClickUp AI, Monday AI, ChatGPT, and Copilot are doing what project managers used to spend hours on in seconds. Task allocation, timeline predictions, risk management done. One company replaced its entire mid-level PM team with AI tools integrated into Notion and Jira, saving $1.2 million annually. So, does this mean the end of your career? Only if you stay stuck in 2022. Project managers won't disappear, but those who don't evolve will. Don't be the one left behind. Subscribe now for more no BS insights into AI, tech, and surviving the future of work.